The revolution in the world of sublimation has arrived. With the innovative polyamide powder system, light-colored cotton can now be sublimated. Some are already familiar with our other solutions for cotton sublimation that consist of papers and vinyls printable with sublimation inks. They are a good alternative, however the finish is not integrated into the fabric as it is a printed paper ironed on the garment. Now you can print white or light-colored cotton t-shirts with very good results of touch and durability similar to those of sublimation on polyester thanks to the polyamide powder. In this video we are going to tell you how to use this system made up of a special paper and a polymer powder with your sublimation equipment step by step. First, please print the paper with your sublimation printer. Print your design in mirror mode with silicone or slow drying paper and print settings to plain paper and high speed. Then apply the polyamide powder immediately after printing. For this step you will need a tray or tray, since you have to spread the polymer on the printed side of the paper. Then carefully move the paper from side to side to completely cover the design. Pour excess powder into its container and store it in a safe place as it is reusable. It is very important to bear in mind that this product can give off dust, so we recommend using your mask. The next step is ironing. There are several ways to place the print on your garment. It can be directly, taking care that once the impression is placed you should not rearrange it. We suggest you cure the dust. For this case, you can use the iron at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and a distance of 3 centimeters for 30 seconds. The one that works best for me is a regular toaster, at the same temperature for 10 to 15 seconds. Now place the shirt or fabric that you are going to customize on the iron and place the design face down and a protective paper on top. Iron at 185 degrees Celsius for 34 seconds, with medium pressure. Finally, remove the shirt from the iron and wait for it to cool, about 40 seconds. Then, remove the paper in a slow, diagonal motion with one hand while supporting the fabric with the other. As you already know, at Luz de Luna we continually try to offer product ideas and solutions to maximize your sublimation equipment and expand your business. We hope that this system helps you increase your catalog of personalized products and that you tell us about your experience in the comments. Thanks for your attention.